Hi, it's Nitin Patil here and welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. So today I'm going to test the camera of Realme 8s. So let's begin.
Our first test is zoom test. I came here at New Palace to test the zoom power of newly launched Realme 8s. I am taking some sample shots for comparing the quality of images after the zooming. I clicked photos at 20x, 10x, 5x, 2x and default zoom. Now let's compare the photos. Quality of the photos from Realme 8s are pretty good. Till 10x zoom we get good sharpness. I can say Realme 8s passed our zoom test. Tilt shift mode. Realme introduced this new feature in new models. It is available in Realme 8 Pro as well as Realme 8s 5G. This feature helps to capture images at different level. You don't need third-party application to add this effect. Use drop-down option and turn on the tilt shift mode. You guys can adjust the blur strength in this mode. This type of effect creates a different perspective in your photos. Now it's time to check the output. Tilt shift effect is up to the mark. Blur is looking so realistic. If you don't know about this effect, then have a try once. Our next test is 64MP test. Realme 8s equipped with 64MP primary camera. You can see flash, AI and timer while using 64MP mode. Let's take some pictures from 64MP mode. As you can see the results of 64MP on Realme 8s. After zooming the picture we get a good sharpness quality. It also preserves highlights in the sky. If you guys want detailed and high resolution photo then please use this mode. Selfie camera test. Our next test is a selfie camera test. The front camera of a Realme 8s equipped with 16MP. This is really good for taking selfies and videos. Here you guys can use HDR, filters, flash and AI beautification in front camera mode. Selfie camera is also having AI face detection feature which works nicely. Here are some results of selfie camera. Age detection in portrait mode is very good enough. Our next test is macro test. Realme 8s 5G is having 2 megapixel macro camera. You guys can find this option in more setting. For best outcome you need to maintain 4 cm distance from the object. Realme 8s captures the good photos at macro level. Here are some results of macro lens. Details on the leaves are very good as compared to 2 megapixel macro lens. You guys can try this macro lens and tell me your views in comment section. If you guys are really enjoying my video then please subscribe my channel. Next test is portrait test. If you guys want a DSLR like photos in mobile then please use portrait mode. Portrait mode gives blurry background photos which looks exactly like DSLR pictures. AI face detection is also available on this portrait mode. You guys can adjust beautification as well as bokeh strength percentage with the help of the sliders. Realme 8s portrait mode equipped with various inbuilt filters like film, black and white, Tokyo, sweet, time and Paris. Here you guys can see photo samples of black and white lens which is working so great. Black and white images are really sharp and good. Age detection of photos are up to the mark. Some edges are not blurred well but we expect to fix this in upcoming software updates. As a Realme said that this phone is having 64MP nightscape camera. Let's check whether it is giving good quality of photos or not. Nightscape mode equipped with Modern Gold, Cyberpunk, Flamingo, Astral and Dazzle filters. You guys can use this while using nightscape mode. Let's click some photos and check the results. Here are some results on Realme 8s Nightscape mode. All night photos looks pretty awesome. Sharpness is also good at zooming. Here we're done with Nightscape mode. Let's move forward. Now we are testing Expert mode. Good thing is that Realme provides Expert mode in every phone. You will get max shutter speed 32 seconds and ISO 6400 in mobile phone. Night is the perfect time to test the Expert mode. I applied 0.5 second shutter speed and max ISO setting to check the noise. Here are the results. Images clicked on 900 ISO looks great with low noise. I will definitely try light trails with this phone. Here we're done with all photo test. Let's move forward and do some video feature test. Our next test is video test. In video mode, you will get flash settings, video stabilization, filters like gentle, noon, vivid, pure, plain, western and many more. You guys can zoom in video till 10x. You can also turn on AI beautification mode in video mode. Here is the result of 1080p 30fps. Here is the result of 720p 30fps. This is the result of 1080p without stabilization. This is the result of 1080p with ultra steady mode. Our next test is front camera test.
Hello, you can see here the front camera of Realme 8s. Here is the quality of Realme 8s front camera. It is giving so much awesome results in sunlight and front camera is very clear.
Our next test is front video camera test. Realme 8s also having time-lapse option. This time-lapse option converts 10 seconds into 1 second. If you guys want to capture videos of moving clouds, then use this feature. Here is the sample video for you. Our next test is a slow motion test. Slow motion option is available in Realme 8s 5G. You can shoot beautiful slow motion videos from your Realme 8s. Here is the sample video of slow motion. I can say the quality of the slow motion is good. So here we're done with all the camera test of Realme 8s.
If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.